Hello YouTube, the Two Ghouls 2. This is update 1 of the snowstorm stress blizzard that's in New York City and whole Northeast from January 4th to the 5th, 2018. Right now it's 2:20 p.m., 4 hours after my first video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out right as it started. But I'm going to say it's just gotten much worse. Snowfall rate has increased, the wind has increased. The wind's expected to become 50 to 60 miles per hour by evening. Snow is going to start tapering off by the evening, but the sea is just windy, heavy snow. Is really bad out. Snowfall totals went from 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8, and now it's 8 to 12. So you see the storm must be moving just more west and west towards the coast. And so the city right now is getting hammered. Let's take a look over here. Now, keep in mind, this area has been shoveled. Look how much snow has fallen. But I believe this area has been untouched. You just take a step in it. It's very deep. I'll go in the clean snow right here. Not clean, just clear. Look how deep that is. I'm gonna say it's at least, I'd say about 8-9 inches that's fallen. There's so much. I can't believe the snowfall rates that we're getting just within a few hours. I'm not sure why everything looks darker. Sorry about that. And so, again, the snowfall rates are just getting increasingly more and more as the wind picks up. We pull the snow in here. No, I admit some of this has been shoveled in, but towards the center, no. And we have a blizzard warning in effect for Long Island. New York City is still in a storm warning. Probably, yeah. I guess the visibility is still okay. It's not blizzard conditions. Before it seemed worse. Now it seems a bit better, but again, the winds just can pick up the snow, so it's make it just a bit horrible. I think Kumo and Homo and de Blasio realized they made a mistake by keeping the transit open. It looked like as they were live on the air, they realized. And now you have all these people need to get home, but they already shut down airports, some transit systems. I think the LIE, they're considering a shutdown. I'm going to take a look in the street here. If you are going out, just you layer up. I have like 3 sweaters on, 2 pants, I have my snow boots on. So be careful, because a lot of cars, the visibility is pretty bad, so it's hard for them to see. And you see the snowplows have been doing a good job. Shoveling. You know, people are not shoveling the cars, you know, hard second now. This is a ton of snow. I shoveled my own car. I would zoom, you know, down the street, but I have my gloves on, so I can't use the touchscreen. Let's see who's shoveling. This is really bad. Try to avoid going out. Try to stay home, relax if you can. Fortunately, you have to go to work. You have to do that. A lot of stores close. Got on them for closing. Some places can't close, some places they can close, they choose not to. They can't close. I think I'm going to end it here after this train passes. Many days on Lisbon like this, they probably shut the lights on the trains. It looks so dark. The trains looks like they're not really like carrying passengers, but they are. Alright, so I think I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Check out more of my other videos right here on my channel. Please rate, comment, subscribe. We'll be uploading more updates later on throughout the day. If you haven't seen the first video, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Again, stay safe, stay warm. See you guys next time.